Murika ma'am, she is a head career counselor at CMS Principals head branch, that is Station Group. We've just completed the training session on how to use the student dashboard and how to use the student teacher dashboard. And we're taking the feedback from Murika ma'am, whether she found it useful or not. Murika, please reply her.
So I really found the app very useful for the students and for the teachers as well. I mentioned first. So, and there are a few things which need to be added, and I mentioned that to work on this somehow together, and that's why I think. And I really had a great session, so I told me every detail possible in a way. Keep good. Thank you so much to you.
Thank you, ma'am. And if you have to give it out of 10, how much stars will you give?
I will give 9.5 out of 10.
Thank you for that.
Yes.
So 0.5 will make sure that next time when we meet, 0.5 we will take 10 out of 10.
Yes, 0.5 is just for the things that need to be added. That's it. Otherwise, it's amazing.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
We are with Aditi ma'am. She is the principal of CMS job branch, and we are just through with the session, training session of eMango's career guidance app for CMS, and we are lucky to have her with us today. And I would like to take ma'am's feedback and ma'am's guidance. How did she find that? Please give us.
Thank you, Nitin, for that reference. But yeah, we went through the entire presentation that you just given us. Seems like a wonderful app for the children. We would definitely like to try it out. It has a lot of features, it has a lot of information which will be very useful to the students. Like what we saw, that even selecting their streams or what are the best options available to them. It would be just like one dashboard having most of the information for them. You don't have to go around looking on Google and meeting up with their counselors for guidance. Of course, the counselors would be there helping them. But seems good. Let's all look into ourselves, and then maybe we'll have a better idea. But what are the features available? They all seem to be pretty interesting for the student. So, all the best to your team.
Thank you, ma'am. And if you have to give out of them, how many you will give?
See, I'm very, until and unless I try it. 8.5 right now.
Okay, so when you try, I'll take your feedback.
Sure. I immediately downloaded and installed your app so that you can see what all it actually. I'm sure you'll write better than that, but I'd like to keep that margin for now.
Thanks a lot. Thanks, Nava ma'am. Nava ma'am is the one who is recording. She is the counselor and she's so smooth that she is being recorded. Thank you, Nava ma'am. Please also putting your feedback.
Okay. It was I mean, I would love to know more about it, but as of now, whatever I've understood, a child can know if his or her is passionate. In fact, more different career options, because I gave it also because if I was quite confused what we should pursue after that. So I found it very interesting and very detailed actually. Oh yes, even I would rank. Of course, I would give it 10, but then because I have to use it myself, so right now 9 is one thing I would give it, but when I learn it.